Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 10th, today we are going to discuss one of the topics of your English book, that is Bohli, a short story. ये जो स्टोरी हम पिछले 2-4 दिनों से पढ़ रहे हैं, इसमें अभी तक आपने देखा कि बोहली जो है, दिस इज़ द मेन कैरेक्टर ऑफ दिस शॉर्ट स्टोरी. शी हैज़ बीन सेंट टू स्कूल एंड जब वो स्कूल पहुंचती हैं उसको एक नया दुनिया वहाँ पर लगता है. और जब वो वहाँ पर दीवारों के ऊपर वो तस्वीरें देखती है, बहुत ही खुश हो जाती हैं. She was attracted, she was fascinated by these pictures. She saw the picture of cow, horse, etc. And now the teacher, what kind of role the teacher is playing in her life, we will see. अभी हम थोड़ा इसमें देखेंगे. Bohli, the teacher's voice was so soft and soothing. Now Bohli asked the name. The teacher asked Bohli in a very soft, in a very delicate, बहुत ही नरम लहजे में, and soothing. His voice was so soft and soothing. Soothing means calm. In all her life, she had never been called like that. As far as Bohli is concerned, she has never been called like that at her home. अपने घर में इस तरह उसको बोहली की इस नरम लहजे में किसी ने उसके साथ बात नहीं की है. It touched her heart when the teacher asked her Bohli in a very calm and soothing voice. This kind of approach touched her heart. ये इसके दिल को लगी. Get up, said the teacher. Now the teacher asked her, get up, खड़ा हो जाओ. It was not a command. It was not just an order. ये कमांड नहीं था, ऑर्डर नहीं था, but just a friendly suggestion. But it was just a friendly suggestion. It was a suggestion for her, but a friendly kind of suggestion. दोस्ताना लहजे में उसने उसको बोला. Bohli got up. Now the Bohli got up. Now she stand up. Now tell me your name. The teacher asked her. Tell her what her name was. टीचर ने उसको बोला कि आपका नाम क्या है. Sweat broke out over her whole body. Broke out means emerge. Emerge. Sweat broke out over her whole body. उसकी पूरी जिस्म में जो है पसीना आ गया. Would her stammering tongue again disgrace her? Now, while talking, she was stammering. She was pausing. Stammering means pausing. She was pausing, and if at that time, when the teacher asked her what her name was, if at that time she would stammer, this would again disgrace her. Disgrace means dishonor. बेइज्जत. वो इसको फिर दोबारा फिर बेइज्जत करेगा. Bohli, अच्छा, for the sake of this kind woman, however, she decided to make an effort. Now, for the sake of this kind woman, इस रहमदिल औरत के लिए ना उसने फैसला किया. she decided to make an effort. उसने कोशिश करने का फैसला किया. She had such a soothing voice. She had such a calm voice. उसकी जो आवाज़ थी बहुत ही नरम थी. Soothing voice थी. She would not laugh at her, and the teacher she would not laugh at her. If she would stammer, if she would pause while talking, the teacher is a kind-hearted person, woman. She would not laugh at. वो इसके ऊपर नहीं हंसेगी. Bohli, she began to stammer. When she was telling the teacher her name, once again she stammered. Bohli. उसने फिर स्टैमर किया. अच्छा. Well done. The teacher encouraged her. नाउ द टीचर encouraged her, inspired her. टीचर ने उसकी हौसला अफजाई की. Well done, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. Come on now, the full name. Come on, tell me the full name. Now basically the teacher's intention was जो उसको खौफ था वो उसको ख़त्म हो जाए, उसको जो डर था वो इसको ख़त्म होना चाहिए. Bob Bowley, at last she was able to say it and felt relieved as if it was a great achievement. At last she was able to tell her name in a stammering voice, and this was a great moment. It was a moment of relief for her. She felt a kind of relief. उसको थोड़ा सा आराम आ गया, मतलब रिलीफ हो गया, उसको थोड़ा सा सुकून आ गया इस चीज़ से कि मैंने जैसे कि उसने एक सक्सेस हासिल की, अचीवमेंट हासिल की. जब उसने स्टैमरिंग आवाज़ में टीचर को बोला, in her home she was not encouraged. The teacher encouraged her when first of all when she was stammering. The teacher encouraged her, go on, come on, well done, this is a great encouraged her, and she was in this situation she was able to say her name to the teacher, but in a stammering voice. Well done. The teacher patted her affectionately and said. After that the teacher patted her, encouraged her. Patted means encouraged her, affectionately means lovingly, and said, put the fear out of your heart. Now the teacher told her, leave this kind of fear. ये जो खौफ आपको है, you have to put it out from your heart. अपने दिल से इसको निकाल दो. Put it out. Put out means take out. Take out this kind of fear which you have in your heart. Take this fear out, and you will be able to speak like everyone else. And after that, when you will take this, you will put this fear out of your heart, she will be able to speak just like everybody else is speaking. So basically the teacher was encouraging her. Encouragement is a kind of it's a very great effort by the teacher. Bowley looked up as if to ask, really. Bowley looked up at the teacher. It was assumed that she was just she was really asking something. लग रहा था कि वो कुछ कहना चाहती थी. Yes, it will be very easy. Now the teacher patted her once again. Yes, it would be very easy for her. You just come to school every day. What you have to do, Bowley? You have to come to school every day. आपको स्कूल रोज आना पड़ेगा, and you will be able to speak and you will be able to read and write. Will you come? Now the teacher asked her, will you come? Bowley nodded. He nodded. Nodded means सर हिलाकर, movement of head. सर हिलाकर मतलब इकरार करना. Now, no, yes, it aloud. No. Now the teacher told her, you have to say it aloud. You have to say it अपनी ज़बान से आपको ये कहना. Yes. Once again she stammered, but she was able to say yes. And Bowley herself was astonished that she had been able to say it. And when she said this answer, her teacher, she was herself amazed how she uttered these words, how she said these words. Didn't I tell you? Now take this book. Now the teacher told her, yes, I have told you that you will be able to speak. Now take this book. Now please take this book. The book was full of nice colored pictures. The book which the teacher gave her, that was full of colored pictures. The picture of dog was there, cat, goat, horse, parrot, tiger, cow, just like Lakshmi. And with every picture was a word in big black letters. And besides, in every picture there was a word in big black letters. यानी तस्वीर के साथ साथ उस तस्वीर का नाम भी लिखा था बड़ी बड़ी हुरूफ में. In 1 month you will be able to read this book. teacher told her teacher told Boli, just in 1 month she will be able to read this book. एक महीने में आप ये किताब अच्छी तरह से पढ़ोगे. Then I will give you a bigger book. After that you will be given a very big book, a very bigger kind of book, then a still bigger one, and after that one more book that will be bigger than it. In time you will be able more learner than anyone else in the village, and there will be a time you will be more a learned person in the village. गाँव में आप सबसे ज़्यादा पढ़ी लिखी बन जाओगी. Then no one will ever be able to laugh at you, and after that when you will be a learned person, no one would dare to stammer, no one would dare to laugh at you. कोई फिर जुर्रत नहीं करेगा आपके ऊपर हंसने के लिए. People will listen to you with respect. You will be respected. The people will listen to you with respect. लोग आपको इज्जत के साथ सुनेंगे, and you will be able to speak without the slightest stammer, and you will be able to speak in before the gatherings, and you would not stammer at that time. आप वहाँ पर नहीं हिचकिचाओगे. You would not pause while talking. Understand? Now the teacher told her, understand, समझ आया? Now go home. Now you should go home and come back early tomorrow morning, and you should go home and come back early tomorrow in the morning. So this was the kind of approach which the teacher जो टीचर ने उसके साथ अप्रोच किया. Now she was able, basically the teacher encouraged her. अभी तक उसको घर में किसी ने encourage नहीं किया था. Now she was encouraged by the teacher that and gave her a book. उसको किताब भी दे दी. एंड इस तरह से आपने देख लिया कि encouragement जो होता है वो बच्चे के लिए बहुत ही फ़ायदेमंद होता है. तो ये कुछ वर्ड्स हैं आज की टॉपिक के, ये आप देख सकते हैं. तो कल इंशाल्लाह हम आगे उसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे. थैंक यू.